Welcome back, guys. This is a sequel to my last video. I am Carlo Gechkome, an Enugu-based fashion designer. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to design a trouser back pocket. So to make this kind of back pocket, I'll be using this paper to draft the pattern out. To start, I'll mark out 1 inch on the paper. This will serve as the baseline, and then rule a line to connect the markings. After that, on this line, I'll be measuring out 5.3 inches. And I will also measure out 1 inch here on both ends of the line. Then rule a connecting line. And then close the ends to form a rectangular shape. Now I will mark out 0.5 inches, that's half of the rectangular shape, and also mark out 3.5 inches down here. Then move on to mark out 0.5 inch from the already marked 3.5 inch. Then outline the lines. I hope you can clearly see the lines I'm drawing and understand all the markings. After that, I will cut out and get ready to create the pockets on the fabric. But before I fix the pocket, I'll first create a dart to give the trouser shape around my buttocks. After making the dart, I will attach the lining for the pocket before sewing the pattern. So as I am done sewing right round the shape, I will then cut it open. To allow me turn the lining over into the hole in order to bring it to the wrong side of the panel. So after bringing it to the wrong side, I will iron it down for you to see the pocket hole. So here is the denim I will use for the pocket design, and I will be placing it on top of the lining to cover the hole. And then run some stitches on the edges of the black hole in order to join them. So far so good. What do you think about this video? Please always do leave your thoughts in the comment section and also share to your friends and enemies. So So here is the almost finished pocket. So without wasting time, I'll go on to pin this black onto the lining. Before closing down the denim and the black onto the lining. So as I am done joining the denim and the black patch onto the lining, my next move is to seal up the pocket. So to seal the pocket, I will start by running some stitches up here and by the sides. I hope this video is insightful and informative. In case you have questions, leave them in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. And this is the light. Oh my god. Alright, they brought it back. So going further, I'll be folding the sides to sew. Before turning it inside out to sew the sides too. After that, I trimmed out some of the frills by the sides because this lining easily frills, and then turned it out to run some top stitches by the sides of the pocket to firmly seal it. So while you share your thoughts about this video, I must say a big thank you to you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.